9:59, let's fucking go. Okay, so in the legal section, don't fucking type this. Let's move on. Okay, in data by system, in the imprint data section, we have map byte converted to map character, and this byte needs to be 0 to 9, converted to the 0 to 9 character string, right? Okay, and then down here, we made a mistake. This needs to just be a plain old array, even though it represents ASCII information, because this ain't C99. Okay, in imprint, we have map byte converted to map character, a down filter function that's going to take 0 to 255 and down filter it to 0 to 9 string. Here's our output character, a truncated value 0 to 9, and then a alias for our lookup table here, map byte to map character. Down filter the byte. If we are 0, we're gonna use an underscore to represent it. If we're less than 9, we can just use map byte directly in our lookup table because we haven't exceeded the capacity. Between 10 and 99, we have to divide by 10 before using this truncated value in our lookup table for output map character. And if we're between 100 and 255, we have to divide by 100 to get a value 0 to 9 that we can put into this lookup table to get out 0 to 9 string. Otherwise, we're out of bounds. We're going to throw an error. We'll return this value 0 to 9 ASCII string right here. Okay, byte map rewrite line logger. Our line logger function, here's an explanation of what we're doing. Then down here, we're going to make sure that we're not overflowing, and that here is where we're going to print off one line. So we have the maximum index of our line buffer, a string concatenation thingy right here, loop through every single character, and keep on concatenating our string and log it off once we have fully concatenated the current row of characters for our tile map. Okay, down here, byte map. Okay, so this is the function that is serializing our entire byte map, width and height of the byte map, and the name identifying the byte map. Okay, so down here, let's scroll down here. We're looping through every single character in scanline order. Make sure that the symbols per tile is 3, otherwise it's not our magic number. And make sure that we're not exceeding the capacity. So we don't want to exceed this capacity, otherwise we're going to seg fault if this were C99 code. We're going to get the byte index and get the byte out of the tile map, convert that byte to a character using our down filtering function, map byte to map character, right? Map byte is going in, map character is coming out. And then each character, each symbol, each byte in the tile map is represented by open square brace, symbol, close square brace. So we're going to put that in the tile map and increase the length of our buffer right here. And that's all we've done, and we're out of here. I don't have any more fucking time.